forward onto the scale, driver. Clear on the left.
Weighbridge is clear. Send the tanker in.
This one is misshapen.
All right, discard it. The others are fine.
The expansion rate looks good on the lower tiers.
Yes, consistent with the previous batch.
We need to bring the temperature down on the third zone.
Okay, adjusting the feed rate now.
Looks good. The alignment is perfect on this batch.
Yeah, speeds are holding steady too.
The crust on this batch seems slightly softer.
Yes, the moisture release is higher than the standard deviation.
That loaf is misaligned.
Okay, removing it now. The rest look uniform.
Twist-Tie's tie machines apply colored ties with rapid flicking motions. Male workers
The feed rate looks optimal at 400 units per minute.
Agreed. The new adhesive applicator is holding up well.
The tension looks good up top.
Yes, the automatic adjustment is working well.
Pallet 4B is clear for pickup. Confirmed, moving it to the conveyor now.
Route confirmed, GPS active. Seal applied. Let's close it up.
Gate 3, Truck 7, you are cleared for departure.
Copy that. Moving to Gate 4.
Keep an eye on the inbound quantities here. Looks like the automated logging is working perfectly.
All units proceed to Sector 4. We have a green light on the north lane diversion.
Manifest confirmed, store 405.
Locked and secured. Ready for the next one.
Did the invoice for the rye bread come through?
Yeah, it's right here on the clipboard. Dates look good on this pallet. Confirmed. Logging the temperature now.
Sebab hijau này đi beli masalah tak kena nang tu dia untuk orang sawang klap akhirnya dan kasrum coba itu nanti baju oti.
This one feels fresh. Check the date on the back though. The last one expired yesterday.
Okay, pull up to the next one. Copy that. Making sure the area is clear.
Watch your spacing. Manifest scan. We need 2 more straps on this row.
probability bands are tightening here, suggesting the model is converging faster than expected.
And the resource allocation reflects that shift in the data.
This dip in the shelf life metrics correlates directly with the negative star ratings in Q3.
Exactly. We need to address the root cause of these consistent product issues immediately.
Thank you for calling. Can you tell me the best by date on the package?
We take freshness very seriously.
The corrective action report is finalized and sent to your tablets.
I see the highlighted sections on the process flow.
This adjustment should resolve the bottleneck in production.
Tension set. Reading is 45 psi.
Okay. Just confirm the alignment on these slicer blades before we sign off.
The efficiency gains here are remarkable.
Absolutely, and consistency is up 20%.
Excellent. This validates the entire initiative.
The engagement in the Northeast is skyrocketing.
Yeah.
That aligns with the strategy. We should double down.
The purchase frequency data supports that expansion.
If we shift the logo here, the matte finish will stand out more.
Let's see how that looks on the tablet.
How's that angle looking now?
It's beautiful. Hold it right there. Starting the track.
We're seeing a consistent carbohydrate ratio across all samples.
Yes, and the fiber level analysis is complete on tray 3.
I think the gold foil really catches the eye, especially next to the limited edition slogan.
It definitely elevates the premium feel we wanted for the holidays.
The bread section is showing peak saturation between 4 and 6 p.m. We should increase stock visibility there.
The Q3 performance metrics are strong, particularly in customer satisfaction.
How does that compare to the competitive analysis in the European market?
We should leverage this data immediately.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Campaign active. Launch confirmed. All platforms reporting green, sir. Scan the code for exclusive offers and exciting new recipes.
Look at this. It's exactly what we needed. Daddy, can we get this one?
Baked to golden perfection, bringing warmth to every family moment. Taste the difference today.
Try a slice, son. It's fresh from the oven.
Check the raw material forecast for Q3.
It's stable, but we have a bottleneck at the European hub right now.
As you can see on the holographic display, the forecast for Q3 shows a significant increase in demand. We need assurances on the live data on the oven efficiency looks promising.
It aligns perfectly with the historical projections.
Test cycle complete. All parameters are green. Excellent work. Let's log the results.
The elasticity seems promising after the hydration adjustment.
Yes, the gluten development is exactly where we want it for the whole grain blend.
The data confirms the viability of the new prototype regarding cost efficiency.
But what about the scalability in the factory?
The throughput projection on line 3 is still lagging.
Yep. Adjusting the cooling sequence now. See if that resolves the bottleneck.
As shown in the graph on the left, our sustainable sourcing initiatives have paid off.
This translates directly.
This bread is absolutely delicious.
It really is so fresh.